Hi, I'm Ken. I've been doing yoga line since, 3 months maybe? A couple times a day when I get reminded of the bad habits my body has. Once you unlearn stuff that you've been doing habitually, it really helps. I feel better every day now. And every now and then I'll get up in the morning and I'll automatically, you go through this little mental checklist. I think that the idea is to have that checklist all the time. And it's not necessarily living in your mind, it's listening to your body. It's helped me quite a bit. Proper breathing technique is sort of a matter of opinion depending on which school of physical stuff you go to. And I had to unlearn breathing with your stomach. It makes a difference using, I don't even know all the little muscles that you use, but using them feels better, feels stronger, sort of makes it just kind of wakes up everything else. You will use that in everything. I do. I think what I was doing for many years was kind of bothering me. I didn't notice it. So now I notice it, and it was time to do this. That's why I'm here. A few months ago when I came here, I had a shoulder injury that was, well, I've got them in both shoulders, but one flared up, and I couldn't surf. I couldn't work. I had to hammer nails with my left hand. This core breathing seemed to have aligned my shoulders so that it doesn't hurt and I can surf again. It made me happy because I was like ready to go see a doctor, which is the last straw. The ability to save your body yourself is like, you can't put a price on that. It's something that everyone should be able to do just through breathing and using all your torso's muscles. Made a big difference. I mean, I wasn't even aware of the difference, which I guess that's the way it's supposed to be. Breathe right, you stop hurting yourself.